I just finally bought my dream car. My Porsche Panamera 4S 420 horsepower with a V6 engine. In this video, I'm going to show you how is it owning it for 5 months, 5 things I dislike, and 5 things that I like most about the car. First thing I hate about my car, the space. It is a big car, but I don't have any space. This is how I usually sit inside my car. And as you can see, I don't have any space in it. So the headroom, it's almost basically inexistent. However, if you see here, you have straight line, and then it goes up and then down. I don't know if you see it very clear on the video. So here is like a cockpit, I would say, that helps you sit okay with your head if you're very tall. But the worst issue I would say is the chair. You have to sit upright. You can't sit like comfortably. That's the worst thing in my opinion. Even though it's I would say a luxury car, you don't sit that good in the back, which this being the first thing I hate about the car, the space for the back people, for the persons who get in the back, and also how comfortable is in the back. The second thing I hate about this car is this navigation system. It's a 2014 navigation system, and in my opinion, give me a bit the camera, okay, it's the most shittiest navigation ever because I have to change all this part so I can have a nice navigation. If I try to put a CarPlay for here, CarPlay mode, it will fry up the navigation system. So I have to buy a Chinese navigation system from this part until that part. If we include a bonus point, I would say the backup camera. If we put it in rear, I think this is the most VGA camera you will ever see. Like, man, you can't see anything. You're just lucky it's light outside. If it was dark, you couldn't see anything. The third thing I hate is the air suspension. It's very expensive. It's about $3,000, one, to change it. And the second thing is not even comfortable. So it's a hybrid between sport, I would say, and somewhat comfortable. If this breaks, it will cost you a lot of money. Mine broke. I will show you right now the picture. You can see it from my phone. I had to buy it from America, so I can get it for about $1.5 grand. Only one piece. So, in my opinion, the air suspension on this car is very shitty. So this, I don't know if you can change it or do anything else. Like, if you guys have any idea, you can leave me a comment. The fourth thing that I hate about this car is the heating problem. The engine usually heats up. I had a thermostat issue that I fixed it, but in my opinion, I don't know if the intakes are good, I would say, but the engine is almost all the time overheating. If you go focused on a track, you'll have some issues, I would say. Even if you're having fun with it, you should be careful because you don't want to blow up your engine. The fifth thing I hate about this car is this ass. It's a bit fat, I would say. And when I bought it, I said I want to have a Porsche, so I'm going to buy it. I loved it when I was a kid, but right now, the newer model, the 971, the strip line and the body, it's more slim, in my opinion. And the issue, if you put this down, it looks like shit. It looks like the ugliest car ever, in my opinion. So this saves the whole back end of the car, in my opinion. As you can see, I put it down. It looks bad. In my opinion, it looks bad. First thing I like about this car is the quality you can see on it. On the newer models, you can see this. Even the door handle, you can see how thick it is. Like, even this, You can't find this quality on the newer models or on any other car brand, in my opinion. Let's say if you go even up, you may find it on a Bentley or on a Rolls Royce or so on different platforms. The Porsche has a Bentley platform, so it has a lot of similar parts with Bentley. So the second thing I like about this car is this. The third thing I like about this car, and the fourth thing I like about this car, the most interesting thing about this car is that it's comfortable and also very sporty. And also the sound, damn, the sound is fucking awesome. I couldn't wish for a better car regarding that sound, in my opinion. Comfort-wise, you're very good if you stay in the front. If you stay in the back, it's a bit shitty, I would say, in my opinion, because the car isn't made in a way so it's very good in the back. As for handling, I would say it handles pretty good. Like I couldn't hope for a better car. You can feel it a bit stiff though, like when it's on sport. Right now it's on sport, and the steering wheel, it's not that stiff. It's stiff, but not that stiff. But the sound, man, the sound is fucking amazing. Like it's fucking amazing. Yeah, I'm going to do a lot of mods to this car because I feel like this is the perfect project car. It's also pretty old that we can do a lot of stuff to it, but at the same time it's relatively new, so I won't need to change a lot of things. By the way, also when you hit the spin bumpers, they still suck. you can't get around them. I'm sorry about that, but you can't change this in this car. If you want to stick on my channel, I will do multiple parts regarding this car, what I want to change, what I want to do. So feel free to subscribe, like, and join my journey, because I'll be posting a lot more from now on.